Cookin camper, here's Zena the Glamper camper, and here are her cousins. The Glamper camper cousins, we've got Emma, Maggie, and then Murphy is back there barking at us. Now today we're in my hometown of Webster City, Iowa. We're gonna be making some taco pasta on my family farm. Now we always talk about prep work, so we've already got all of our ingredients ready for our taco pasta. We have some low sodium canned corn, a couple cans of diced green chilies, a bunch of cilantro, unsweetened cashew milk, unsalted or low sodium beef broth, a spice mix. So this spice mix includes white pepper, ground jalapeno pepper, ground nutmeg, ground coriander, ground cumin, ground cloves, smoked paprika, ancho chili powder, garlic powder, Mexican oregano, onion powder, basil, and Aleppo pepper. Now, if you don't have all of these, you can definitely just pick one or two and use those instead of all of them. And right here in the middle, we have white queso processed cheese, queso fresco, and some cashews. Now later on, there'll be a crunchy surprise topping. Now you also need a pound of ground beef and some egg noodles. Let's get started. And now the tools for this recipe are going to be a little bit different. Since we are hooked up to electricity, we got to use our blender today. Now this is a high-speed blender, and we will also need our normal skillet with the cooktop. Now first we're going to start with the blender. We're just going to dump in the ground beef into our heated pan, and we will start squishing that around. And while that starts to brown, we're just going to blend up all of our mixture, and this is going to be a little loud. And once the meat has almost no pink left, we're just going to dump in those spices, and we're going to dump in the rest of our beef broth. First go the noodles, and you just kind of want to squish them around just a little. Now, and on top of this, we're going to dump in that blended mixture. And this is going to be creamy, cheesy, and delicious. Now the noodles will just cook in this mixture, and they'll suck up all that cheese and corn. So you just want to get all the noodles submerged, everything mixed together. Now me and my dad do like corn a lot, so we're also going to drop in an extra can of corn. And once this is all blended together, you're just going to want to bring it to a simmer. Now the last step to our taco pasta is snipping in the cilantro. And I just use some kitchen shears, and you can use as much or as little as you want. I kind of like a lot. And then you're just gonna stir that in. And now this is almost the finished product. And here's my dad, Dave Ruski Doodle. He is our taste tester today. So you get a big scoop of our taco pasta, and he is gonna top it with our crunchy surprise. And there's the taco pasta. Well, I also like to top my pasta with some more cilantro and some avocado. It is so delicious, we can't wait for you to try it. If you do, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. We hope that you can enjoy nature and food as much as we do.